Welcome to Land of House. I'm Seth. I've got a 2017 Polaris Sportsman 450HO, and I am going to have to change out the battery because the one I've got is down to about 7.8 volts, which means it takes a minute or two to crank this thing up, but it is still going. So the replacement battery that I have purchased is this one right here. It's the Diehard TX14AH, and that's what I'm going to be putting in here. Before you change the battery, make sure the ATV is off and you remove the key. So we need to get this other one out. I've just got a 10 millimeter here. So hopefully you'll be able to see this just fine. Got a nice bright light set up. So there is a bungee cord right here. I'm just going to take that off and loop that over to the side. And then there's a plate on top here. I need to pull that off. And then we should be able to find the red and the black wires. And I want to unscrew the black one first. So let's see what we can find here. That is the red wire. So we gotta get to the other side over there. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. All right, luckily, these were not on too tight. Red one is next. Once again, that one was not on there very tight, which is a good thing. There we go. Be sure you remove the little nut that's in this terminal here to put on your new battery. All right, see if I can get this other one back in here. I'm not sure there's anything that would make this easier to get to. Okay, there we go. There is another battery that Advanced Auto says it will take, but it would not fit in this housing for sure. So definitely make sure you get the skinny, tall one to fit in here. There's a little square nut that needs to be put into the hole, and that's what your bolt is going to lock down into. Got that done. I'm going to replace the cover that goes over this. Makes a nice snap. Then I've got to find out where the bungee cord got off to. There it is. Uh-oh, it's going to be fun to find the other piece. Okay, I managed to get it. No part of that was fun or easy, but everything seems to be back connected. Let's go ahead and see if it will crank. That battery is replaced. Let's give this a try and see if it will crank up. It's 11:40 in the morning, and our time says 10:40, so we'll have to reset that. Yep, good to go. Nice. The dimensions of your replacement battery needs to be 5 1/4 by 3 1/2, and then the height is about 7. Okay, it's nice to have a new battery in the ATV because the other one was down to a voltage that was scary. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.